I know. Oh, fuck. I need to clean this shit up, don't I? It's like... I clean up like once a week, probably. And with the intention of just keeping it clean. Never keep it clean, ever. Just doesn't... Just the most... See this, by the way? I was looking for this yesterday and I found it. It's just like one of those gorilla pods. But I've lost a little plate that goes on the top. So if anyone's got one lying about, we'll tidy up. Oh right, so last night. This place is cool, right? I don't want to get into it too much at this stage because we're filming a documentary here and well, all of that's to come further down the line. One of the things I'm doing when I'm taking photographs in an environment that's not familiar to me, but also in an environment, especially in an environment where I've photographed before, I'm always asking myself the question, what is it I'm not seeing here? It's a great little trigger, that. It's a little temptress. It's almost like you're inviting yourself to see more, to see beyond that surface level of things.
On a canvas like that.
I'm not going to show you too much here today. It's a little teaser.
Which would be the best low-ways, Gary?
Is that like the coolest place ever? Couldn't show you too much of it. Correct, we're making a documentary in there and we need to save it for that. Just giving you a little bit of behind the scenes stuff. But this is going to be a really exciting project with the artist filming it on New Year's Eve. So stay tuned. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I better tidy up. See you tomorrow.